Welcome friends, and this is my planner for the week going into August, and I haven't written in it yet, but I've done my stickers. So I know we're already in summer, but I'm just going to go ahead and welcome summer because I am in sunny South Florida and it's running about 98 to 100 degrees down here. Okay, all right, got a couple of my wrong stickers here. I have a sticker down here for nail appointment. I want to try to do my nails this week or go to the Chinese people for a fill and I will polish them. So I'm debating on whether I want to do them myself or whether I just want to do the decor. A couple of stickers over here on Friday. I definitely want to get a little grocery list together or some little things that I don't want to forget to grab from the store. And I'm probably also going to try to deep condition, perm, and wash my hair. And then I just have this beautiful young lady here sitting on a raft for the weekend. I don't have any big plans this week, but I will fill them in as they go. And so this is what my planner looks like for the week. I know I mentioned it before, but I still have 365 Happy Planner sticker books for sale. Anyone who's starting a planner, if your child is starting a planner, if you want to get some sticker books without breaking the bank, if you're on a budget, definitely hit me up. I've said my email address several times. It's RENEE Savage, just like it's spelled, Savage, 0409@gmail.com. You can hit me up about the sticker books. We can make a deal. We can make an offer. I'm also going to link my Poshmark down below and my Mercari down below because they're located on there as well. But if you want to make me a different offer or bundle them, feel free. And just to show you guys kind of what I do, where is it? So, and I got to finish it this week. I got thrown off, but I kind of find things to scriptures and things to study on. I did not finish the Casting Your Care or the Anxiety one, so that's going to roll over into the next week. But I kind of find this one was on reasoning, and I found scriptures on reasoning. This one was on worrying, and I find scriptures on worrying. And I try to give the universe or God or whoever I believe in at least 10-15 minutes a day of just studying the word. My belief is God, so I try to study the book, study the Bible, study the word, and get it in my system and get more understanding for myself. So that is kind of what I do. I also did it back here, wrote it in different colors. I did a Joshua scripture to be strong, be encouraged, be not frightened, and do not be dismayed. Also Jeremiah, some scriptures there. I listen to a lot of Joyce Myers. I love her. Love her especially on YouTube. And then over here, and most of the time my planner, besides what we have to do, gets filled up with scriptures and positivity. So that's kind of what I do, and that's kind of ideal for you guys. If you're not a planner, if you don't plan, I don't have any little kids anymore. I don't have soccer team, basketball, baseball, cheerleading. I'm not a teacher. I don't need to write out a plan. So sometimes there's not much for me to put in my planner for the week. So I definitely dedicate it to learning my scriptures and studying my lesson. We have Bible study at church and stuff like that. I definitely write it down and go back and study my lesson and study it for myself. So I just thought that would be something very interesting for you guys to do if you want to do a planner, but you're not like me, not as busy as other people. So that's just a suggestion. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.